let's make some creamy coconut peanut punch, real Jamaican style. Okay guys, so to start we have here 4 coconut, but Jamaicans would have said this a jelly, right? Yes, so we are going to dig out the meat or the coconut meat to get that for our peanut punch, right? So we're going to scrape out the meat for our peanut punch. Guys, wanna know about coconut or jelly meat with sugar? If you no grow up in the country, you don't know me at all about nothing sweet like your coconut water, real coconut water, wash off your heart, and your nice good up jelly meat with some sugar in it. Yes guys, right this, and you just cut off piece of the skin, you wipe it off, and I your spoon that. If you don't have any spoon in your bush, comment down below and let me know if you know about those stuff. So these are the ingredients for the peanut punch. We have here ripe bananas, frozen ripe bananas. We have the jelly meat. We have here some peanut, and we have the coconut water or the jelly water, some pumpkin seed, and the vanilla extract. So this is something different, a different way of making a Jamaican style peanut punch. I'll put a link in the top right corner of other recipes for Jamaican style peanut punch, but today we're trying something different. So we're going to add about 1 cup of oats. You can use Fosca oats, Quaker oats, whatever oats you have readily available to you. I'm also going to go ahead and add some coconut water or jelly water, right? And I'm going to add some of the jelly meat. Guys, we're not going to use any milky products in this peanut punch, so no milk. It is milk free, all natural. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and add the frozen bananas. So I'm just going to, cut them up so they can be in small pieces, right? After we add that to the cup, I'm going to go ahead and add the peanut. I'm also going to add some of the pumpkin seed. Guys, you can always customize this recipe based on your liking. What you don't like, you can always remove. And if you want to add supplegen, you can always go ahead and add your supplegen. But I'm not going to add any milk product to this recipe, right? So here is the pumpkin seeds, right? I'm going to add some salt. You can't leave out your salt, right? And I'm going to add some nutmeg. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then we're going to blend until smooth. So those of you who are allergic to dairy products, you can try this recipe because it's all natural fruits and nuts, right? So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to support our channel, don't forget to watch the ads to support so we can add more interesting and authentic Jamaican style recipes that you like and enjoy, right? Look at this consistency, guys. Very thick. No sir, Jamaican man, them love this. You know what them say about this? Yes, see me at the background. You know, I hear when tell me say it was a little bit thick, guys, so I just had some more jelly water or coconut water, and then I'm going to blend again to get it thinner, right? And here you have it, our coconut peanut punch, real Jamaican style. No milk added, all natural. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Guys, comment down below and let me know what would you have this peanut punch with. Either have this with bulla, either you have it with one national bun, or either have it with 2 tough crackers, or one slice of potato pudding, or toto, or rock cake. Comment and let me know, guys.